Hey everyone! Big news for all you audiophiles and Hatsune Miku fans out there. HiBy! A name many of us know and love for top-tier portable audio has just dropped something truly special. Their sub-brand HiByDigital has teamed up with the one and only global virtual singer, Hatsune Miku, for an exclusive collaboration. This is huge, especially after the success of their Evangelion collab earlier this year. So what are we getting? Two amazing products are hitting the scene. First up is the HiByDigital M500 music player. This isn't just a player with a Miku sticker on it. It's a complete experience. It features a gorgeous summer breeze designed by the illustrator Tid and a deeply customized user interface. But the coolest part, it has 3 custom voice sources of Hatsune Miku built right in, capturing her iconic vocal style perfectly. Under the hood, it's powered by a Snapdragon 680 processor and Android 14. So you know it's super smooth. For the audio nerds, it's packing dual CS43198 DACs and low-noise opamps, delivering an absolutely immersive sound. Next, we have the HiByDigital YUME monitors. These earphones look incredible, integrating Miku's signature visual elements right into the design. They're not just about looks, though, with 10mm magnesium aluminum dynamic drivers, they promise exceptional clarity and rich details in every note. They're ergonomically designed for long listening sessions and come with high-quality cables. Plus, they've been specifically tuned for J-pop and ACG music, so they bring Miku's vocals to life with stunning, expressive detail. It's like having her sing right there with you. This partnership truly bridges the gap between the virtual and real worlds, combining HiBy's hi-fi expertise with the cultural phenomenon that is Hatsune Miku. It's a celebration of digital music and otaku culture. Both the M500 player and the YUME earphones are available right now on the official HiBy online store. If you're quick, you can grab some early bird discounts and exclusive gifts. This is a fantastic opportunity for both collectors and anyone who just wants an incredible listening experience. So, if you want to hear your favorite tunes in a whole new way, go check them out. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more audio news. See you next time.